everyone, this is Devsha Singh and I teach psychology for UPSC CSE at an academy. In this video, I will tell you how you can secure 300 plus in psychology optional with ease. Over the years, psychology has performed consistently and is a top scoring subject in social sciences. It's easy to score 300 plus with right guidance and dedicated efforts in the right direction. That is, to ace UPSC CSE exam with psychology optional. It is quintessential to know what is important and what is not important for psychology, as with complete knowledge and right guidance aspirants can effectively channelize their efforts towards scoring high in the subject. It's an interesting subject, and many aspirants are switching to psychology for its ease, interest, nature of the subject, and also minimum resources. On the top of it, right and effective strategies gives an edge. Right guidance is the most wonderful thing you can get here. You can enhance your chances of securing a top rank by knowing your syllabus. This is one of the most important aspect. Knowing your syllabus is very important. Once you know the syllabus portions, you have to analyze the psychology paper trend. Post trend analysis, it is very important that you understand the syllabus by interlinking both paper 1 and paper 2. Now, you should know that paper 1 is theoretical in nature and paper 2 is basically involves applications of these theories in your different fields where psychology is used. So, paper 1 is theoretical and paper 2 is applicative. Understanding the nature and the trend, also the interlinkages among various units, gives you very good clarity and immense scope to score well. Post this trend analysis and getting acquainted with the syllabus, it is very important that you complete your syllabus including all the subtopics, which will definitely ensure that you receive high outcomes in this paper. Now, many aspirants skip major units, risking their chances of success in UPSC. Covering portions with its relevance according to the trends is very essential. This provides you a safety cushion and a top rank. You should always go through previous year questions of a particular topic before reading it and always plan your reading and your note making based on that. Effective note making here is synonymous to revisable content, and this increases your chances of getting a rank multifold. Effective and extremely important point, timely revision. Effective revision is needed and timely revision is most important. I just hope that all of you remember forgetting curve and how it works. That will tell you all the time that timely revision is the key here. Again, emphasizing on the point, effective and timely revision with maximum answer writing practice, which is interlinked. Interlinked with what? Current affairs. Interlinked with current affairs will make your answers impactful. Answer writing practice with regular evaluation and appropriate feedback for improvement under right guidance will basically unlock your rank. So, if you want to unlock your rank, you should know that psychology optional is meant for you. Maximum practice, effective note making, following the revisable content strategy is definitely going to unlock your rank. To ensure you secure 300 plus and a rank, I am providing you complete courses on psychology with dedicated answer writing and current affair practice. I have done my master's from Bangalore University in psychology. I have also done a lot of certifications, specialized certifications in this field. My experience in research and psychological testing is now going to be an advantage for all of you. Having more than 4 years of teaching experience in psychology and mentoring amazing students, I've got this opportunity to bust a lot of myths about psychology optional. And here, taking this opportunity in my courses, I am always going to provide you an insight into previous year questions before every unit we will do if before every unit always previous year questions, syllabus discussion in the classes itself, and all the concepts which are relevant as per the trend analysis will be taught in these courses. My students usually find digesting textbooks and making notes easier once they acquire conceptual clarity. Now conceptual clarity is the master stroke here. Many aspirants are not focusing, they ignore the aspect of conceptual clarity. In feels cramming is good enough. But you need to remember that conceptual clarity is the real master stroke here. This ensures proper memorization of the concepts, it ensures effective interlinking among concepts, better presentation in the exam, and also makes an impeccable impression on the examiner's mind. I am starting my complete course on psychology, paper 1 on 23rd of October. I will be coming up with multiple courses. I am covering complete psychology optional at an academy, starting with this course on paper 1. This will cover complete syllabus of paper 1 except research methods which will be covered in another course. So all the units of the paper 1 will be covered in this particular course. Following this, I will be coming up with complete courses on paper 2. I will come up with a special course on psychometrics and research methodology, which is not covered anywhere for psychology optional. Psychometrics and research methodology, a special dedicated course for the same, so that all your doubts are resolved in the classes itself. Apart from that, dedicated current affairs for psychology optional and answer writing courses will be available throughout the year. If you want to avail these courses, you can subscribe to an Academy Plus. If you want only UPSC, CSC, GS and optional courses, you can avail subscription at this prices after using my referral code DevShri This offer is available till 31st of October. After that, in this price, you will only be able to avail GS subscription and not optional subscription. If you want UPSC CSC optional subscription only, these are the prices this optional will be available. 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, and 36 months are your options. Respective prices are given here. Please remember these are the discounted prices after using the referral code Devshri Singh. This is giving you 10% discount. If you are interested in joining Iconic, you can avail the subscription at these discounted prices. I want you to know one thing. If you have any query related to psychology optional, you can always connect with me. Psychology optional is an easy and highly scoring subject, and this will ensure your UPSC success. So, all the best to all of you, those who are going with psychology optional. Always remember, for any kind of help, you can always connect with me, and I'm providing you complete courses on psychology optional. Just to show you, this course will end on 28th of December. This is my batch 3. After this course, I will be launching course on psychology paper 2 in two parts, part 1 and part 2. These courses are already available at an academy. You can enroll now. Then after that, next course will be on psychometrics and research methodology. I'm also providing dedicated answer writing courses for psychology optional, and I will also be providing current affairs courses so that you can interlink the concepts and current affairs and present best answers which are impact making, and the answers which are going to secure your rank. All the best to all of you. Thank you so much. I would love to see you all in the courses. For any queries, do connect with an academy now. Thank you so much.